Hello students, I am Mr. Guva and today's topic is, can sound waves generate heat? So without wasting time, let's learn it. Sound waves are a form of mechanical energy that can propagate through various mediums, such as air, water, and solids. While sound waves are typically associated with auditory sensations, they can also have other effects on the environment. One question that has sparked interest among researchers is whether sound waves can generate heat. The basics of sound waves. To understand how sound waves can generate heat, it's essential to grasp the fundamental principles of sound wave propagation. Sound waves are created by the vibration of objects, which disturbs the surrounding medium, causing the molecules to oscillate. These oscillations transmit energy through the medium, allowing the sound wave to propagate. Mechanisms of heat generation. There are several mechanisms by which sound waves can generate heat. 1. Viscoelastic effects. When sound waves propagate through a medium, they cause the molecules to oscillate. This oscillation leads to friction between the molecules, generating heat. 2. Acoustic cavitation. High-intensity sound waves can create bubbles in liquids, which then collapse, releasing energy in the form of heat. 3. Thermal expansion. Sound waves can cause the expansion and contraction of materials, leading to thermal effects. 4. Nonlinear effects. High-amplitude sound waves can lead to nonlinear effects, such as harmonic generation and shock wave formation, which can generate heat. Applications of sound-induced heat generation. The ability of sound waves to generate heat has various applications. 1. Ultrasonic cleaning. High-frequency sound waves are used to clean surfaces by generating heat and creating bubbles that remove contaminants. 2. Therapeutic applications. Sound waves are used in therapy to generate heat, reducing pain and inflammation. 3. Material processing. Sound waves can be used to generate heat for material processing, such as welding and cutting. Conclusion. In conclusion, sound waves can indeed generate heat through various mechanisms, including viscoelastic effects, acoustic cavitation, thermal expansion, and nonlinear effects. The ability of sound waves to generate heat has numerous applications in fields such as cleaning, therapy, and material processing. Further research in this area can lead to the development of new technologies and techniques that harness the thermal effects of sound waves. So students, don't forget to tell us how you liked this video, and the important thing is I make videos here on a definition of any topic. If you need a definition of anything, then comment in the comment section and learn it. One video is uploaded here every day. If anyone really needs it, I will make another video on that topic.